Hello. So I just wanted to explain this week's assignment. We are in week 4 of our remote learning for marking period 4. So we've done, you can look at my screen. You guys can't see this, I don't think, on your screen. So week 1, we did chapter 3 on development. Week 2, we did chapter 3 on nature versus nurture, where you guys did the Genie assignment. Week 3, last week we focused on chapter 9, which was the topic of classical conditioning. And so this week, week 4, week of June 1st, we're still in week 9, but we're on section 2, and so we're still focusing on learning, but we're going to move on to the topic of operant conditioning. All right, and then next week will be our 5th and our final week of marking period 4, and we're going to go into chapter 7, which will be on stage of consciousness, so things like dreams and that sort of thing. Just to give you a heads up, I'm probably going to open this next week, the last week, early, and this is only because my grades are due next Friday, which is, hold on, let me look at my calendar here, the 12th. So I need to have your assignments in early. So I won't be able to give you until like really late, and you won't have until Sunday. You'll have until Friday being due, but I'll need it early Friday because my grades are due Friday by 3:15. So I can't have you turning in anything, you know, at 3 o'clock on Friday. I wouldn't be able to get it graded in time and get it in. So I'll post another update once I get some more details on that, but just kind of look for that. Don't be surprised if you see this week 5 open up early, because I need those assignments done early. So probably by the end of this week, I'll open up week 5 so you guys can start working on it this weekend, and then you'll be done. Yay! All right, so back to this week though. Here we are in week 4. So still doing learning, but this week we're focusing on section 2, which is operant conditioning. So when you open up this folder, you should see the textbook for chapter 9 and the PowerPoint for chapter 9. And I apologize if you went in here earlier. I had inadvertently, I'd forgotten to put these in. So if you went in yesterday and looked at this, these weren't here. So I just added them this morning. And then you should see something that looks very similar to what you saw last week. So you've got 2 kind of optional assignments. These are both to help you practice and prepare for the chapter 9.2 quiz, which is the required assignment for the week. I will say both of these, the schedules of reinforcement worksheet and the operant conditioning summary of terms, would be extremely helpful practice before you take the 9.2 quiz. So I'd highly recommend reviewing the PowerPoint. The PowerPoint's got some great videos on it too, which should help you. And I'm going to be posting a video today going through the PowerPoint and kind of teaching and explaining it to you a little bit. So that should be helpful. Some students have gone ahead and tried to do the 9.2 quiz already this week, and they've done it without trying to do the practice of the optional assignments. And I've noticed that they've not done very good on it. And fortunately, they've gone back in and they have redone the quiz, and they've learned from their mistakes and they've done better. And that's fine. So you guys are welcome to take the quiz to improve your score on it. I would like to see everybody get at least above a 60% on the quiz to get credit for it. But if you review the PowerPoint, review my videos, and do the practices, this should make total sense, and you should be able to do the quiz and get 100% without a problem. But this could be tricky if you haven't done any review. So just kind of keep that in mind. Those are my recommendations for the week. And check out my next video so you can see what operant conditioning is all about. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.